guys, and welcome to another video. Today's song is on the guitar and it's on the song Stay. We got 4 chords I'm going to learn here, and we're going to be using the capo on the first fret. If you guys don't have one, I'll have the chords down below in the description or the comments so you guys can check that out. But let's get started. First chord we're going to use is going to be an F. The second chord I'm going to use is a G. So F, G, A minor, E minor. The rhythm of the song goes. Pretty simple, it's going down, 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 down. So a strum pattern that I use for this song goes down, up, up, down, up, up. So. That's all the chords and strum pattern you guys can use to play this song. Check out my ukulele version that I have somewhere around here. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.